Have you ever pondered what secrets the far side of the moon might hold? The mysteries that are hidden from our sight, tucked away in a place we often refer to as the dark side. Perhaps it's time to shed some light on this enigma as we journey to an unseen world with the Chang'e-6 probe, China's latest venture into the realm of space exploration. On a day not too long ago, the Chang'e-6 probe embarked on its 53-day mission from the Wenchang Space Launch Center. The unmanned rocket carrying the probe soared through the atmosphere at approximately 5 past 5 in the evening local time, a sight truly worthy of awe. This mission, named after the moon goddess from Chinese mythology, marks a significant milestone in our quest to understand the universe. For the first time, we aim to collect samples from the far side of the moon, a feat that has never been accomplished before. The Chang'e-6 probe is expected to land in the South Pole Aitken Basin, a vast area stretching over 2,500 kilometers wide and reaching depths of up to 8 kilometers. The far side of the moon, often referred to as the dark side, is not dark in the literal sense. It simply remains invisible from Earth. This side of the moon has a thicker, older crust adorned with more craters, less covered by ancient lava flows than the near side. Scientists hope that collecting material from this side might shed light on the moon's formation. Once the probe lands, it will collect lunar soil and rocks and conduct experiments, aiming to bring back approximately 2 kilograms of lunar samples to Earth for analysis. This mission is part of a larger initiative by China to delve deeper into lunar exploration. It is the first of 3 high-wire unmanned missions to the moon planned by China this decade. Following the Chang'e-6, the Chang'e-7 will search the lunar South Pole for water, and Chang'e-8 will attempt to establish the technical feasibility of building a planned base, the International Lunar Research Station. This ambitious plan follows the success of Chang'e-5, which retrieved the youngest ever lava samples from the moon in December 2020. These advances in lunar exploration signify China's growing prowess in space exploration as it competes with the United States. China has already made a mark in history by becoming the first country to land a rover on the moon's far side 5 years ago. By 2030, it aims to have put its first astronauts on the moon and to have sent probes to collect samples from Mars and Jupiter. In summary, the Chang'e-6 mission is a monumental step in lunar exploration. It aims to collect samples from the far side of the moon, a feat never accomplished before. This mission is part of a larger initiative by China to explore the moon, with future missions aiming to search for water and assess the feasibility of building a lunar base. With its growing prowess in space exploration, China is aiming to put its first astronauts on the moon by 2030. In our quest to understand the universe, every mission brings us one step closer to unraveling its mysteries. The Chang'e-6 is more than just a probe. It's a beacon of human curiosity, illuminating the path to new discoveries and a brighter future.